Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have administrator rights. This ensures changes persist. Once done, document the existing adapter settings and the current network type so you can revert if needed. Now open Network and Internet in Settings or go to Control Panel, right arrow Network Connections. Make sure to select the correct adapter, wired versus wireless, so you change the intended interface. This immediate documentation and targeted selection prevent accidental disruptions and speed the next steps. You now edit the adapter and profile to change the network type. First, right-click the adapter and open Properties. Configure IP4 between DHCP or a static address when required, because addressing affects reachability. Then set the network profile to private or public in the Network Profile section so sharing and discovery behave correctly. Make sure to update firewall rules or allowed apps to match the new profile. Otherwise, services may be blocked. Take it step by step and recheck each field before applying. You finish by applying the changes and forcing the system to reinitialize the adapter. Disable and re-enable it or reboot. Once the system is back, verify connectivity by pinging the gateway, opening a website, and accessing any shared folders or printers. If things look good, monitor for a few minutes to confirm stability. If connectivity fails, use your backup configuration to revert quickly and then inspect firewall rules or DNS settings. Restoring the prior state is the fastest way to recover while you diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.